Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today, we dive into the stunning 2025 Subaru Justy, a blend of retro charm and modern engineering. From its eye-catching exterior design to its innovative tech under the hood, this small car is packed with big personality. Let's take a closer look at why the Justy is set to shake up the compact car market. First up, the front design. Subaru has really embraced its roots here. The circular headlights pay homage to the classic Justy models from the 1980s, but now, they're equipped with full LED technology for sharper and more efficient lighting. The sleek black grille carries a minimalist design, with the iconic Subaru logo sitting proudly in the center. The subtle yet sporty bumper gives this compact car a muscular front fascia that makes a bold statement on the road. As we move to the side, the 2025 Justy showcases a unique blend of old-school curves and modern flair. The widened fenders and aggressive black alloy wheels scream performance, while the smooth body lines offer a hint of elegance. And let's not forget those iconic retro mirrors, adding that nostalgic touch to this otherwise future-focused design. Moving to the rear, the Justy continues to impress. The dual round taillights are another nod to its retro inspiration, but with modern LED elements for a cleaner look. The rear spoiler adds just the right amount of sporty flair, improving aerodynamics while maintaining a clean design. The centered single exhaust completes the look, giving the rear an extra touch of attitude. Under the hood, Subaru keeps things simple yet efficient. The 2025 Justy is powered by a 1.2L turbocharged boxer engine that delivers 120 horsepower. While that might not sound like a beast on paper, the lightweight design of the Justy ensures a fun, zippy driving experience perfect for city streets. Plus, Subaru's signature all-wheel drive is available, making it a capable little car for tackling various road conditions. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that mixes retro simplicity with modern tech. The dashboard is clean and uncluttered, with analog dials that harken back to the old-school era, but with a digital twist. The steering wheel is ergonomically designed for comfort, and the seats are made of premium materials, offering both support and style. In the center console, you've got a touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a range of Subaru's in-house apps. The air vents have that vintage aesthetic, but the climate control is all digital, adding a futuristic feel. There's also a surprising amount of space for a car this size, making it practical for daily driving. On the road, the Justy feels light and agile. Thanks to its compact size, it's easy to maneuver through tight city streets, and the suspension system smooths out rough roads with ease. Subaru's all-wheel drive system ensures that even in wet or snowy conditions, you'll have optimal grip and control. It's not a track car, but it's the perfect daily driver for anyone looking for a fun, reliable ride. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews, coming your way soon. Let us know in the comments, what do you think of the 2025 Subaru Justy?